Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine's defense ministry increases production of anti-drone ammunition. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine is expanding the production of anti-drone ammunition to support Ukrainian defenders. The rounds, produced by several Ukrainian manufacturers, have now been codified by the ministry and are ready for serial output. Minister of Defense of Ukraine Denis Shmyhal said, "With anti-drone ammunition, Ukrainian service members will be able to counter enemy FPV first-person view and Mavic drones more effectively. This ammunition features a specialized charge that greatly increases the likelihood of downing a Russian drone." He noted that the rounds work with standard weapons and do not require dedicated systems. "We are working to bring more new and effective weapons into the arsenal of our military, enhancing their combat strength and reinforcing Ukraine's defense capability," the Minister of Defense underlined. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.